These might be the coolest fans I've seen in my life. Let's get into it. What is going on, guys? Today we have a really exciting product. We are going to be reviewing these incredible Argb fans from a company called SaharaGaming. They make a ton of RGB fans, but these ones are super unique. They're called the Pirate Eye, with an eye in the middle which kind of looks like the pupil, and then just the RGBs around the edges. And we have 6 of them right here. They all connect to a hub and a controller. One special thing about these fans that you can connect them to each other to continuously have lighting, so you don't have to have cables going around rerouted everywhere. You can just plug one in and the rest of them will just connect to each other and continuous power that way, which is something I'm super excited for. Is gonna make my cable management super clean. These fans are rated between 8 to 27 dBA, which is super quiet, and they go from speed 600 to 1500 RPM. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these fans and set them up and show them to you guys. You're going to want to connect this piece right here to 3 of the fans. Just put it in and then slide it, lock it in place, and now all the fans are connected to this one strip right here. And we're going to mount the fans on top of the case. Alright guys, so I am so done with these fans. I've been playing with them for the last like 2 hours. I got the top ones to work. They actually look really good. But the connection between this bottom one right here and all the way down to there, it's not really working at all. And that I notice is that this fan and this fan are really loud. They're like, they have this sort of ticking that you can hear if you get closely. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed. It's 2 a.m. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Well, good morning guys. It is Halloween 2021, but it is time to finish this build. I actually ended up doing a bunch of stuff last night that I didn't mention up in the videos. You know how the fans, I was telling you guys there's an issue where the connection is. So I'm not really sure what was going on, but this fan right here was in the front, and then I swapped them. Basically, I took it out and put it in the back, and now the RGB just works fine. So now when you turn it on, everything functions just fine. All the RGB goes across, and the RGB at the top is working just fine. Here it is fully. You have the SaharaGaming 3 on the bottom, 3 at the top. I'm gonna say these fans look incredible. They've been cooling the PC really well. My temperatures on my CPU have reached 20 Celsius, which is super good, which means there's a lot of air going through. But yeah, these fans are really good. The only issue I've had with them, as I mentioned before, one of them was just not working, and the connection was just, the RGB was not going through the whole 3 set as it was daisy chained. So I actually reached out to SaharaGaming after I fixed the issue by myself by rotating different fans around, and they said that it could have been damage in the shipping. So they're going to be sending 2 more units to see if they'll fix the weird noises that are happening on this one and on this one. That was it for this video. If you guys are interested in these fans, I'll leave them down below in the description. You can check them out for yourself, and if you have any questions, let me know below. I'll see you next time. Bye.